Kurt is bathing, guys. Kurt just walks through the house like he's a dog. Look, see? Watching a scary movie. Yeah, look, that's all his toys over there. He likes making noise with them, and this is his water where he bathes. There he goes. He's ready to go this weekend, guys. I'm gonna miss him, but that's life. That's life. Yeah, he has to go. Hello, how are you? I have to cover the sofa, see, like this because he poops everywhere. So, hi, hi. Can you say hi? Who's my baby Kurt? Hello, Kurt. Wow, you're such a cutie. Hi, mi amor. Hi, hi, hi. Hola, cosita linda. You want to come up? Come then. Come here. Come on, Kurt. Come up. Guys, Curtis has been, you know, he loves me, and look at that. Where's my baby? Hi, little baby. I love you so much. Yeah. You're wondering what I have on my eye, huh? What is that? You are such a cutie. Look at this, guys. I love him so much. I am so sad to let him go. But I guess he has to go. He has to go. He cannot stay here with us. He's so scared of outside, you know. As soon as I open the door, he runs behind me. He flies back behind me, and he don't want to go. So I don't know. I don't know what to do here. I am ready to go to the gym right now, so I am ready to go to the gym. Look, oh no, he's playing as all his toys. He loves coins and here, look. What, you want your coin? You want your coin? Wow, that is a beautiful coin you have there. Wow, look at that. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wow! See, guys, and Panchito, he loves Kurt already, and Kurt loves him also. Where is it? Wow! Wow! Such a nice coin. Yeah, look at that. What, are you trying to play with Kurt? Huh? Are you trying to play with Kurt, Pancho? There we go, guys. Look. Wow! And he loves bottle caps also. He loves bottle caps. He loves to play. Look, what is that? That is such a cutie, Pancho. Whoa. Whoa. There you go, Kurt. He likes making noises, guys, when he throws away the bottle cap. See? Here on the sofa you can't hear much of the noise, but look, he likes going and tantalizing. Ah, you know what it is? He's thirsty. He wants some water. Do you want some water, my baby? You want some water? Yeah? You want water? There he goes pooping again, guys. That's why I covered this, see? That's why this is covered with this bed sheet. And what I do is when Kurt goes to sleep, I take them off and then I wash them. And then before he gets up, It's on already. I did not put on this one because they did not dried. I forgot them in the washing machine. So tomorrow, I mean in a little bit, I will put them on. Yeah, it's early in the morning. Yeah, let me go get you some water, okay? I'll go get you water. So guys, this is beautiful Kurt. Look at him. Look at him. He is such a house bird, you know. I am so sad to let him go. Cause he's such a cutie. Yeah, cause mommy loves you. Mommy loves you, mi amor. Yeah, mama loves you so much. See, that's when he makes those little noises. Ow! What you doing? Are you playing with my hair? Are you playing with my hair? Look what Kurt is doing, guys. Look at that. Is he trying to build a nest on my hair? Huh? With my hair? Look at that. He's just going with my hair. Yeah. Ow. Ow, you're pulling my hair. Hey, Kurt. Kurt, don't do it hard. Don't. Ow. 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 That hurts. Do it slow, gentle. Yeah. Yeah. Kurt. Kurt. Ow, you're pulling my hair. Come on, you're pulling my hair. Ow, 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 ow. Look at that, guys. Oh, I love him so much. Kurt. Oh, you love your mommy, mi amor? Yeah, you love your mommy. Ow. Ow, Kurt. Ow. Wow. Wow. What a nice birdie. What a nice birdie. Guys, I hope he didn't poop on my head. Yeah. I hope you didn't poop on my head. Hi, Kurt. Hello. Hi, mi amor lindo. Hi. Say hello. Hello. Kurt, are you ready to go out? Are you ready to fly away? Huh? Are you ready to go? Let me open the door so you can go. Yeah? Shall I open the door? Yeah? You want to go? Guys, he's not ready to go. As soon as I open the door, he runs in here and hides behind me. Yeah. Yeah. I'm telling everyone what you're doing. You're a chicken. Yeah, you're not a little bird. You are a chicken. Quack, quack, quack. You are a chicken. Yeah, you're such a chicken. Now you're gonna lay down. Yeah, you're gonna lay down. No, you had enough with your mommy's hair. Hmm? So guys, he's so comfortable here. He trusts me so much. So he lays down. He's so cute. So cute. He's listening to dog barking outside. He never hears Pancho barking because Pancho don't bark. Yeah. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Here's Kurt and Pancho eating. See? I just fed both of them with my hands. I put the food in their mouth. I know Pancho really likes the wet food now. If he sees Kurt eating, he will eat Kurt's food also. Actually, Kurt is eating Pancho's food, but I put water so that Kurt is easier for Kurt to eat. I didn't know that Pancho will love to have the, like the soft, soft puppy chow. Look, he's wondering why Pancho don't give him in his mouth. There, there he goes. Be nice, Panchito. Be nice. That is your baby, remember? Kurt, be nice to Pancho. Don't poke his eye. Kurt, Kurt likes playing rough with Pancho. Look at that, guys. There, he's gonna grab one also. If Pancho lets him. Panchito, leave Kurt. Let Kurt eat. Yeah, Kurt has to stand on the dish on the side and then grab. See, I told you he can eat, but he's very lazy. This morning, you guess what Kurt did? He took one of my socks and he put it inside his food with water. Yeah, he just put it inside. He loves to grab things and put it into the water. I don't know why. This time my socks went inside his food dish, so I had to throw everything away and give him fresh food. Yeah, my socks was right inside soaking. Maybe he was gonna wash it for me. See, he's eating. He eats by himself, guys. So he's pretty much ready to go. But I am just, as soon as I open the screen door over there, that screen door, he comes to hide behind me. So I'm poor thing. He's not ready yet to go, or maybe I'm not ready for him to go. So, hello, baby. How are you? Guys, I am ready to go to the gym, but Kurt has to hang out with me. Yeah, I love you so much. Yeah, oh, you're so gentle. I love you. I love you. See, he just sits on me and he lays there. He's such a loving birdie. Hola, mi amor. See, my heart just aches every day that passes by because I know that it's gonna be gone. Well, I'll try to release him, and if he comes back, our house is, oh, hola, cosa linda. Hola, mi amor. Oh, such a good boy. Actually, Kurt is not a boy. My tear is going down, guys. I'm actually crying, thinking when he leaves. Kurt is not really a boy. It's a girl. In those type of birds, the female birds. Sorry, guys. I'm just a little sad. Yeah, in these birds, oh, that tickles. The girls are brown in color, and the boys are really beautiful black. And so this one is brown. That means Kurt is actually a girl. Oh, loves to pull my hair. Yeah, yeah. I love you. I love you, Kurt. I love you. I love you, mi amor. I love you. I know you love your mommy also. So, Kurt takes a bath every day by himself. I just put lots of water and he goes in and takes a bath. It's really hot here in Merida. Oh, and this is his hanging out with me. Oh, he loves his mama. I'm his mama. Pero mi amor, I'm your mama, baby. I know. I love you. Yeah. So like I was saying, he's gonna get released and that, but I hope he makes it out there, and he will always be welcome. I will release him in the backyard so that there's nice trees there if he wants to come and hang out here. I usually leave water for all other birds, so he's gonna have water also. Look at him, he's so contented here with me. This is his mommy time with me. He just sits like that, enjoying the fun. You see, his feathers are just flying because of the fun. Yeah, that's what he does. Just hang out on my shoulder. Gives me little love by pecking so gentle on my ear and pulling my hair and so on. So every time I put on my shoes here in front of the TV that he knows I'm leaving, he comes to my shoulder and and then he enjoys it. He just enjoys it being here with me. Look, he's falling asleep actually. I don't have the heart to move him, so I'm gonna wait until he gets off from me when he wants to, and then I go to the gym. Look at him. He's so beautiful. Yeah. Closing his eyes, falling asleep. I sing him sometimes also, and I talk to him in English and Spanish, and he understands pretty good. It's a very smart birdie. Very smart bird. He plays a little. He likes playing a lot with bottle caps and coins. That's his favorite, shiny coins, and he throws them and makes noises, and he loves that. He flies to up there, see, by the window, on the back window, and that's where he sleeps at night when it gets a little darkish, around 5:30ish or close to 6. That's when he decides to go sleep. That'll be his nest, and but before then, I he comes to me that he needs food, so I give him food and some water, and then he's good until the following day. He don't like to eat early in the morning. He eats around 7, not 5 or 6 when it's daylight like other birds. So Kurt is special. It's different, and he's so small, but he has a giant attitude. He's a baby. He's a guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna miss him a lot. I know he will also. He's gonna miss me. He's gonna miss Pancho. He's gonna miss Donkey Vlogs. He's gonna miss a lot of us. All of us actually. True, Kurt? Because you're a good boy. Yeah. Then he's gonna find his family out there maybe. Hopefully they welcome him. Hopefully they welcome him, and then he's gonna do what birds do. Find a partner and make a nest and live happily ever after. Just like in the movies. I'm sorry, mi amor. I'm sorry. Mommy's just a little sad. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't want to give you that sad vibes, okay? You're a happy birdie. Happy birdie. Happy. Yeah, he's trying to sleep. So there's something woke him up. He loves the fan, guys. When he takes showers, oh my gosh, oh my god, I love you. When he takes showers, he goes and stands in front of the fan, and then he dries himself. He puffs up his feathers, and then he dries himself. Like I said, he's very, very smart. Look, oh my gosh, look at those legs. He's getting so big, guys. Look, oh, yeah, good boy. He's gonna go play with his bottle cap over there. See, he has. I have to put a cover on the sofa because he poops everywhere. So, see, guys, this is when he's hungry. I just had a little time with him. No, you hungry no more? I am actually getting a rash, guys. I never had nothing on my face before. Look, I have here, and I think I think it might be from him. Look, I have one here also, and it's not a pimple, guys. It's like a little bump or something. I don't know. So I went to the doctor, and they give me two ointments to put on my face, and one during the day and one at night. So I'm not using no makeup. There's no sweat. It's just my sweat, and hopefully it's not from Kurt. I try not to kiss him anymore just in case. And but oh, he's hungry. I have to go, guys. I have to feed him. Okay. Hi, I love you. You're such a good boy. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Are you cleaning my feathers? Are you cleaning my feathers? Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. You're such a good boy. You're a good flyer. You go. There you go. Playing with my phone. Yeah, you're playing with my phone. Yeah. You are a good boy. Look, guys, he's trying to destroy my phone. Yeah, yeah, good word. What? You wanna come here? Okay, come here. Oh, I love you. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful face. So guys, he's getting his feathers good now. It's almost filled already. Yeah, you're such a good boy. Yeah, such a good boy. Yeah. Beautiful birdie. Yeah. Let me bring down the volume of this dumb girl here that I'm watching. I won't say her name. I don't support her anyway, so I just had it and it came on. So look at that. My beautiful birdie. Yeah. You're such a good boy. You're playing, huh? You are playing. Look, guys, just going like crazy on anything. Yeah, yeah. Look at your big mouth. Oh my gosh, look at that big mouth. You have a giant beak. His beak actually is very, 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 very strong. Yeah, you just ate. You cannot be hungry. You just ate. Yeah. You want a coin? Here, let me grab the coin for you. It's hard for you to grab. I know you love the coin. Yeah. Wow, look at that coin, so pretty. Nice and shiny, huh? That's a really shiny coin. See, he grabs it. He's trying to grab it. He cannot figure how to do it from there. He's gonna figure it out because he's very smart. See, told you. Told you. He loves the noises. See? Good boy. He loves the noises from the coins. Then he gets amazed, from, oh my God, look. Then he gets amazed by the noises he makes, and he makes such a cute little face. Like, did I do that? Yeah. Last interest on that one already. Look at his feathers. Such a good boy. Look at that, those feathers, guys. Yeah. Wow. Such a handsome baby. Such a handsome baby you are. Yeah. Baby Kurt. Baby Kurt. Guys, do you see him like a brown? I think he's brown, huh? Or is he gonna be is he gonna be black? Maybe he's turning, because I don't know. Maybe it's too young still to tell. But I think it's brown. But his feathers are like like my hair. It's all wild. Yeah, all wild. Oh no, I hope you don't poop on my phone. Well, that's my old phone. My new one is here. I'm recording with. Your daddy won't be happy if you're doing that to the remote. No, you're not supposed to do that to the remote. No, not the remote. Okay, not the remote. I'm wondering if he ever get feathers on his head, or he just looks like his daddy. Don't tell him. Yeah, I think he will, little by little. Wow, your eyes are beautiful, Kurt. Yeah, your eyes are so pretty. You're such a handsome. Look at that. You are so handsome, mi amor. Yeah. Yeah, you know that, huh? You know you're so handsome. Look at that beak of yours, is so strong. Yeah. Oh, you're cleaning yourself. Huh? What? Oh my God, you're such a cutie. Oh my God, you're such a cutie. Yeah. Oh, see, he cleans himself. Yeah, you're such a cutie, mi amor. Yeah, look at you. Wow. What a nice boy. What a nice boy. Are you showing off? Yeah. Are you showing off? Your feathers are coming out beautiful. Beautiful feathers. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And look at those eyes. Yeah. See, his feathers are coming out pretty good. Hi. Say hi to your friends here. You're gonna be famous. Yeah. The much so loving bird. Ow. See, he wants to play. He loves that, guys. He loves that. He's a very good boy. So I'm gonna. Oh yeah. Oh my God. When he makes those little noises, like he says, saying, I love you. I want some love. Yeah. Also, I've seen him pretty mad also, and I will try to record when he's a little mad, when when he wants something and I don't want to give him, he gets like he starts making certain noises, and I think that's being mad. I'm not sure, or maybe he's just telling me off, telling me, So look at that. He just laid on top of my phone. Yeah, that's his new nest now. Oh my god, he's such a cutie. I love him so much, guys. So see you next time. I just enjoy him. He's gonna go sleep there. See, guys, see, he wants attention. Look at him. Yeah, he just ate, so he's not hungry, but I don't know why he goes like that sometimes. Makes a lot of noise. He was sleeping on my shoulder. I know he's making bird sounds. Look, look. Hello. 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 Hi, your little. Why are you so mad? Oh. Hi. Hello. Hello. Are you being a naughty little birdie? Huh? Why are you making such a noise? See, guys? Oh, I love you. I love you. I love you. Yeah. I even love you when you're like that also. Yeah. Yeah. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Were you dreaming that? I think probably he was dreaming that he was eating. Let me see if he wants food. Let me grab. Let's see. The food is here. Oh my god. Let me stretch and grab it. Ah. Maybe he was dreaming that he was eating. Yeah. Oh my god. See? He's hungry, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. You were dreaming, huh? You were dreaming that you were eating what you just ate. Yeah, Mama just gave you food earlier, just a little while ago. See, that's when he lets me know he's hungry. And when he's hungry, he's hungry. Yeah, see, now he got enough. Huh? Still more? Okay. Yeah, such a good boy. Yeah. You let your mommy know you're hungry, huh? Yes, I know. Such a good boy. Yeah, yeah. Now he cleans his beak on my shirt. Oh my god, no, a little stretch and probably a good poop on my shoulder. Yeah, look at that, look at that. Oh my god, he's such a cutie. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that was good food, huh? Yeah, was it nice? Thank you, mommy. Thank you. Thank you. See how much mommy loves you? Yeah. Yeah. Such a good boy. Yeah. Such a good boy. There you go. My god, now he's on the phone, guys. Over there now, see. He wants to see Pancho. Pancho's here. He's wondering what is going on. Yeah. What is going on? He's gonna go from his favorite spot. Maybe bug Pancho a little bit. Yeah, see, he's gonna be bothering Pancho. That's some funny bird. Funny bird, guys. Okay, I'll cut it now. Hey guys, we have a problem here. It is really late already. It is Right now, I'll tell you the time, but Kurt don't want to go sleep. Kurt is sitting here with us. It's 8:26 right now, and he falls asleep and then he wakes up again at any little noise. Look how much poop he has already here. I have a blanket over the sofa, and I have Panchito here sleeping on top of me. So I have both of them, and dog pee blocks is right here also. You can see his arm. So we're watching TV, and our pets are here sleeping with us here. I mean, we're watching TV and they're sleeping here. I put Kurt already 3 times where he usually sleeps on the window, and he keeps flying back again to the sofa. He wants to be between dog pee vlogs, me, and Panchito over here. So look at him. Isn't he? Looks like he's suffering, but that's where he wants to sleep, so I don't know why. We have some crazy pets, definitely. This is what happens when you feed your bird. Your dog gets jealous and he wants to eat also like the bird. Look at this. Here we go. Oh my gosh. There we go. 2 for you and 2 for you. Look at this, guys. The bird and the dog. 13-year-old Chihuahua wants to eat like a little baby now because the bird, see, the bird is getting enough, so he's gonna go away and then he's gonna keep on going. Sorry, I forgot that you go like this. I get confused, guys. Look, see, he got enough already, but Pancho wants more, obviously, because he's bigger. Come on, baby. There we go. Wow, look at that. I hope Kurt don't bite him. See, guys, this is my life now. Here, you eat by yourself. Come on. See, guys, he eats wet food now because of the bird. Otherwise, he eats dry food. He's doing like he's starving, guys. Look at that. Look at that face. Kurt had enough, so he went to take a nap. And Panchito keeps on eating because he's a bird dog. There he goes. I have to cover the sofa, guys, because the bird just poops everywhere. See, there's poo everywhere there. So, oh my God, Kurt, don't do that to Pancho. It's the angry bird. Today you're in a bad mood. Why? Why are you in a bad mood? Huh? Why are you in a bad mood? You're such a good boy. Ow! Ow! He's in a bad mood right now, guys. I don't know why. I was kissing Pancho. Maybe that's what put him in a bad mood, but I don't know. He's in a bad mood today. Look, right now. Not today, but just now. What? What's wrong, mi amor? What's wrong? Come here. Come here. Are you mad? Are you mad, mi amor? Are you upset? Why? Why are you upset? Huh? Why? Why are you upset? Are you okay? Careful, Panchito. He's gonna peck you on the eye. Yeah. Are you upset, mi amor? Are you upset? Oh. Guys, look at that face. Look at that face. Oh my gosh, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Hi, Kurt. Hi, Kurt. Hi, mi amor lindo. Hi. Hello. Oh, are you sleepy? Yeah? Is that it? I think he's sleepy. That's what happens. When he's sleepy, he gets really, 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 really grumpy, guys. I don't know why. Maybe it's normal for them to do that. See, he gets really grumpy. He's falling asleep. He's falling asleep there. And here is Panchito. Also, he's very tired. See, Kurt fell asleep there. That's why he was grumpy. He was actually snapping his beak so much, like really loud, when I tried to hold him. See, he fell asleep. That's what it was. He was just sleeping. And in 10 minutes or he's gonna be hungry again. Yeah. Love you, Panchito. Kurt is here playing with his toys. I give him a few things to play with so he's not bored. Look, he loves it. Like you notice, we covered all the stuff here because he poops everywhere. So this is how I have to cover the sofa. Look, he likes that red one. He's exploring things, and look, isn't that nice? I like when he plays and plays with things, you know, makes him smart. See, he throws it around and then he hides them, you know. He hides them from us, I guess. There he goes, he throws it down. Yeah, you like that, huh? You like that? He's gonna throw it in the water. Everything he has as a toy, he throws it in the water. I don't know why. I don't know why. Yeah, 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 yeah. You hungry? Oh, you want the phone? Yeah, you love the phone, huh? Yeah, I know. I know you like the phone. He loves the camera, guys. He's used of the camera already, so he makes this noise when he sees the camera. I love you. Oh my gosh, there he goes. What, are you going to cover yourself? Yeah, are you going to cover yourself? Kurt? Pretty Kurt? Are you covering yourself? Ah. What? 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 You want me to do something there? What? Okay, okay, there we go. Oh, you want me to make a nest for you? Is that it? Huh? You want me to go with you in the nest? I don't know what you're saying. I don't know. Hi. Such a good boy. Hello. Hello. I love you. Oh my gosh, look at you. Wow. Wow, you're such a good boy. Guys, I strongly believe, I don't think he's a boy. It's a girl. It's a girl. But, you know, are you a little girl? Yeah, I think you are. I think you are a little girl. I'm not 100% sure. Yes, mommy loves you. Even if you're a boy or a girl, mommy loves you. Yeah, yeah, that's the phone. So I left him this. This is his favorite toy, the cap, a bottle cap. Usually I have the other one, but today I have this one. This Coca-Cola bottle cap. He loves it. See, that's his toy, so he comes for it. He loves it. And then they have this one here. I just this is an old ring that I had, and I don't mind if he damages it because I really don't use it here. It's just something for him to use. See, Wow. Wow, Kurt, is that scary? Is that scary for you? Maybe it's scary for him. Or this one is too heavy, maybe. Yeah, I think that's too heavy. Maybe he prefers the plastic stuff. Yeah. Where's my baby? You want some food? Here. 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 Where are you? Where are you? You want some food? Not anymore? Okay, here. You want it on the hand? Wow, que rico. That is so nice food. Mommy gives you good food, huh? See, he's eating by himself, guys, but I don't know why he prefers for me to get him from here. See, from here and put it on my hand, and then he will eat. See? Sometimes I put it straight into his mouth and he swallows when he's really hungry. Like right now, he's just having a little snack. He will eat this and then he'll be satisfied. Yeah. See? Yeah. Wow. Wow. So good, huh? It's so nice. Nom nom nom. That is so good. Wow. See, that's when he I learned something that after he cleans his beak, he got enough already. And then he just goes. See? Then he just comes around and tries to bite Pancho's tail because he likes tantalizing Pancho. Pancho is a good doggy, so he will not bother him. See? Look. Look, look, look. Yeah, he loves that. Good boy, Panchito. Good boy, mi amor. I love you too, Pancho. I love you too. Yeah, you're such a good boy. He gets jealous, guys. He gets jealous. Yeah, you're such a good boy. So, see, he had a little snack. Now Kurt is going to have a little nap back there. He goes by the window, but as soon as I open that screen door over there, he runs back and hides. He don't want to go outside. So I kind of feel sorry for him because soon he's going to be gone. I went on a trip to Champotón, Campeche, so and then we had very, very bad weather. Very bad weather. So I stalled a little of him going to outside, What? What is the matter with you? Huh? Are you following Pancho? Are you following Pancho, mi amor? Yeah. So, see, he comes here. Sometimes he takes naps on me. And I think he's looking for a nice warm. Oh, he's getting my stuff. See? Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. You found another toy. It's not from my underwear, guys. It's from him. That's from my pajamas and him trying to play with everything. Not my underwear. That would be funny, huh? So there's my baby Kurt. There's my baby Kurt. See? Oh my gosh. Are you playing with my phone? Good thing that's my old phone, guys. It has a cover, so it's pretty safe. Are you playing with the phone? Are you fighting with that? Kurt, are you fighting with that? He's trying to actually take it along with him because he loves to steal things. He grabs and flies away with things. So I'll give him his cap. Let's see if he wants his cap. There's your cap. That's yours. Yeah. That's a beautiful cap. See? Bottle cap, guys. That's a bottle cap. He's trying to figure out how to open the phone. Yes, I'm talking about you. Yeah. What? You can't do it? Huh? You can't do it? See guys, he has a ring already on his feet. There, on his feet, right there. He has on his foot, actually that's the word, his foot. Yeah, he has a ring in case he comes. When I release him and we see him again, we will be able to know that's him. I think it's 0048, his number. 0048. Oh, he's drinking water. I love to see how he drinks water. It's like he gives thanks to God every time he takes a sip of water. Actually, Kurt has a very long, I think he has a long tongue. That's how he grabs the food from when it goes to his beak and takes it down to his throat. That's a stain on the tiles here. It was like that when we got here. He loves to be on my toes. Sometimes he pecks on them hard, so I have to move. He don't know the strength he has on his beak. Yeah. You wanna come up? Yeah. He uses my foot as a lift, so I put him on the table. Yeah, he likes for me to go like this, and then he plays under, I don't know, he bites under my shoe, under my sandals. So look, there he goes. See, he loves for me to do that. I am going to be an expert in yoga, guys. Kurt is amazing. I am loving having Kurt around. He is such a good boy. It's I don't know how to describe this, but having this thing with Kurt living with us and being free, flying everywhere, it's such an amazing experience. I feel like a bird myself. Yeah, yeah. See, when I cook, he never goes to the kitchen. He knows that it's hot there, there's heat, so he stays here. Look, he's trying to get my button. He opened already. Oh my God, he's gonna go inside my clothes. Oh my God. Oh my God. That tickles, Kurt. That tickles. See? Oh my gosh. Yeah. So he waits for me to serve the food, and once the food is on the plate, he comes running. He goes to my plate or Dog P Blog's plate, and he just takes anything that he sees on the plate, and he takes off. He flies away like he's stealing from our food. I don't mind him doing that. Yeah, because I love him. I love you. And he's not on the wild, so he takes baths and all that. And then he's pretty clean, I think. Hopefully he's not sick of something with some stuff on him, but I think he's fine. See? We're not sick. See, that's the feathers that I don't know. Maybe they fall off and they grow again. I don't know. What? He loves my bracelet. Here. There you go. He likes to play with my bracelet here. See? Yeah, I love you too. I love you also. Yes. See guys, this is beautiful Kurt. Where are you? And this is Panchito here. Ah, there you are. Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Yeah, are you hiding from your mommy? You can't hide from me. No, you can't hide. Yeah, I know. I love you. I love you. See, when he goes like that, he wants me to pet him. But I'm trying not to pet him so much. See, when he fluffs his wings like that, he's very extra friendly. I am trying not to pet him as much because I don't want him to be so used of us. Oh, look at him. He wants me to pet him. I love you. I love you. That's the way he tells me he loves me. What? 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 Here, I'll give you a toy. Here. Here's your toy. Wow. Wow. That is so pretty. Straight from the Coca-Cola. Sugar-free Coke, of course. That's all my husband drinks. I don't drink soft drinks, guys. I don't take no type of drinks like that. Yeah. See, he already pooped up there. Oh my gosh. Okay, see you guys on the next one.